Deep in the wood where the tall trees grow, where the fireflies flicker and the cool winds blow, there's a place you can go if you follow the light, where animals talk from morning to night. A dragon named Dazzle who hiccups out stars. Hiccup, roar! A tortoise called Tempo who plays the guitar. A unicorn giggling up in the trees. Nay, giggle! And a big fluffy bear who just loves to sneeze. Achoo! Growl! Welcome, welcome to the Whispering Wood, where every creature is kind and good, real and magical side by side. Come on in and enjoy the Whispering Wood, the most magical place you've ever understood. Dazzle the dragon sneezed out a spark. Achoo, snap! And accidentally lit up the whole of the dark. Tempo the tortoise strummed a wrong chord. Plink, plonk! And the mushrooms all danced on the forest floor. A mermaid named Mira who swims in the stream. Splash, splash! A rabbit called Rolo who runs in his dream. Thump, hop! A phoenix who rises with feathers of gold. Whoosh, caw! And a tiny little snail who is terribly bold. Slink, glub! Welcome to the Whispering Wood, where every creature is kind and good, real and magical side by side. Come on in and enjoy the ride. Whispering Wood, the most magical place you've ever understood. Have you ever heard a dragon say please, please roar? Or watched a unicorn swing from the trees? Nay? Have you ever seen a phoenix share its light? Whoosh! Or heard a tortoise sing good night? Strum! Shh! In the Whispering Wood, anything is true. The most magical place is waiting for you. Now all of the creatures gathered around, making the most extraordinary sound, roaring and strumming and giggling with glee, the happiest forest you ever did see. Welcome, welcome to the Whispering Wood, where every creature is kind and good, real and magical side by side. Come on in and enjoy the ride. Whispering Wood, the most magical place you've ever understood. Dazzle says roar with the hiccup of stars. Tempo strums softly beneath the moon afar. Mira splashes gently in the moonlit stream. Whispering Wood is more than a dream. Good night, Whispering Wood. Good night. Good night.